for our oil water separator. First off, the overall dimensions. By removing the top cover, we have a length of 9 7/8 by 13 1/8 by 11 1/4 inches tall. There will be a slot to insert your baffle. By removing the cap and hex nut, the baffle can be inserted into the slot and locked with the cap. Coming to the front, by removing the main interceptor, you can insert the main pipe connector. Connector will go in here, and you can lock with the lock nut. Additional interceptors can be removed with the interior depth measuring 12 inches. Basket along with a pair of gloves will be included, including the corrugated tube. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.